Nobody talks about the heavy metal brick hiding at the bottom of your PC case until something goes wrong. We obsess over the shiny graphics cards and the lightning-fast processors. But that humble power supply is the heart of the entire operation. If it fails, everything else is just an expensive paperweight. I have been looking at a new 850-watt unit from a major gaming brand. It targets people who are tired of struggling with messy cables and bulky hardware. The first thing you notice is how compact it is. It fits into tight spaces without forcing you to play a game of hardware Tetris with your wiring. It uses a fully modular design. That means you only plug in what you actually use. Think about the benefit of that for a second. No more stuffing a massive nest of unused wires into the bottom of your chassis. The cables themselves are flat and flexible. They bend around corners without feeling stiff or brittle. It makes for a much cleaner look. But the real story is under the hood. This unit is built for the newest generation of graphics cards. It supports the most recent industry standards for power delivery. It even has that special dedicated connector for high-end cards. You can send 600 watts directly to your hardware through a single cable. No more ugly adapters or splitters cluttering up your view. It carries a gold efficiency rating. That ensures your electricity bill stays reasonable while your system stays stable. Stability is the name of the game here. You want consistent power when you are in the middle of an intense gaming session or a long video render. To keep things cool, it uses a standard-sized cooling fan with specialized bearings. It stays remarkably quiet during regular use. You might hear a tiny bit of noise if you really push it to the limit. Some people have mentioned very minor electrical sounds in rare cases. However, that is common with many high-performance parts. This is not the most expensive top-shelf luxury model on the market. It sits right in that sweet spot, where you get modern features without paying for a fancy digital screen you will never look at. It is reliable. It is ready for the future. Most importantly, it gives you peace of mind. If you are building a modern rig with a beefy graphics card, you need something that won't hold you back. This unit feels like a smart, practical choice for anyone who wants a clean build and steady performance. It handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on the screen. The build quality feels solid. The finish is clean and minimal. It does not try to be flashy. It just does its job. For a mid-range to high-end build, this is the kind of component that settles your nerves. You know your components are getting clean energy. You know the thermal management is handled. You can just enjoy the games. That is really all we want from our hardware at the end of the day. Reliability shouldn't be a luxury. It should be the standard. This unit hits that mark perfectly. It brings a level of confidence to your desk that you usually have to pay much more for. You get all the essential safety features without the unnecessary fluff. It is the silent hero of the build. It keeps your expensive gear safe from power spikes. It keeps your desk looking tidy. It keeps your fan noise to a minimum. It is hard to find faults when it checks every box that actually matters for a daily driver. You can trust it to power your passions for years to come. It just works. And in the world of high-performance tech, that is the highest praise you can give.